surprise for you.
Is it the penguins? Have they come to take us home?
Nope. This is the next best thing.
Another game bites the dust.
Come on now. Step off the knees. All right, little league then. Back up this hill. Oh, low-hanging branch. It just over this flat bed. Happy birthday, pal.
Wow! New York City. Gloria! You're the Statue of Liberty!
Briefing your toughest masses, baby.
And Melman! You're at Brooklyn Bridge!
Actually, on the Triborough Bridge.
Wow. You guys made this?
Yeah, from memory. From crazy, obsessive memory.
Hey! Fifth Avenue! With no traffic! Here's Times Square, with its modern-day corporate lack of character. 9 streets on the same street! And the zoo. Wow, our home. Look, there's little me. And little all of us. You guys, you've both made and ruined my day.
Make a wish, sweetheart.
Your wish has come true.
Oh, yay! My tummy is speaking to me.
Oh, gross. I wouldn't eat that side of the cake if I were you.